Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So today we're going to continue with our examination of how price action can be traded on any type of price chart. So today we're going to look at gold. If you caught Monday's video, we were looking at the S&P 500. So today we're going to look at gold and see how you could easily trade price action on gold, just like S&P 500, just like Euro USD, just like Bitcoin, just like Ethereum. It just really doesn't matter what the asset is. Price action is price action is price action. So let's jump right in. So we see here we had a range going. The EMA is sideways. You're getting that roller coaster effect, you know. So we had a range going, but at this point, you know, kind of can see 3 legs down. Then we started to move up strong. We made a top here. I kind of got a double top, push down, but we couldn't stay. So you may not take, this is a push down, that's the first entry, push down, this is a second entry long. You know, this is gonna be where we're gonna start, because let me get situated here. Because at this point I see this strong leg up. This is a beautiful strong leg up. So I'm willing to risk entering here. Because, you know, we've had a strong leg, even though we've been moving sideways. I'm willing to risk this. This is a nice first entry, push down, second entry, double bottom right here. Second entry long. I'm gonna risk this entry right here. See if we can get started off. And that's an easy win. 1, 2, 3. And then you get the low, push up, higher low. When this broke lower and shot up, you got a stem, couldn't stay under the EMA. Now the signal candle kind of dudded out. Ooh, but it closed higher than this one. And now your target is here. I like it. I don't love it, but I like it enough to expect that we're gonna get another leg of this distance. And this is my first target, so I'm gonna go. And 1, 2, 3, that's cool. Then you get it again. Look at this, low, push up, higher low. Excuse me. Lower high, lower high. You know, I guess by now you guys know I say it wrong all the time, but you know what I mean. So we have a low here, pushed up, a higher low, but look at the rejection is what I want to point out here. You know, it pushed down, shot right off the EMA. You almost want to go right here. But if you just wait for your signal candle, which is here, it is a monster. You put this right here. This one is a go time. You got the low, higher low, right off the EMA, monster candle, close higher than the one to the left. Of course, your target is still here, and you're also expecting a leg of this distance. Go time. And that's easy money. Easy money, home run, takes off. Now you're at the top. You gotta wait. Gotta wait for EMA touch. This is the first entry. I know you want to take it, but you don't take those. That's the first entry. But if you're patient, count from the top, first entry, push down, look what you get. A second entry long right off the EMA. Didn't close on the top, didn't close to the bar to the left, but this is a second entry. So it doesn't have to, because your target is here. You're expecting another leg of this distance. You're expecting another big leg of this distance. This is a beautiful second entry long with trend off the 21 EMA. That's everything you want. That gives you everything you want. 1, 2, 3. All right. Then now we're kind of in congestion here, because this is our second attempt to break this high and it couldn't do it. So again, first entry, you don't take it. We don't take first entries, so you got to wait. But now we finally broke through. You broke through and got the new high. So count from here, push down, first entry. Push down, another second entry long right off the EMA. If you take this one, 1, 2, 3, it gets you. Hey, let's make that red. That's a loser. You don't win them all. Hey, you don't win them all. But I'll tell you what though. This is the high. Yeah, I would have saw that as the first entry. Push down again, second entry. Yeah. I'm kind of trying to think by the count. That's really not the first entry though. Per the count. Because this stem is lower, this stem is lower, this stem is lower. This is like a first entry. This is really a first entry, which is why this didn't work. So this is not a second entry long. This is all one leg down, push up right here. This is a first entry, which is why it didn't work. 1, 2, 3. That's why you don't take first entries. Then you have to restart the count because you made a new high right here. So you can't take this. This is another first entry. Push down. This is like a, ooh, this got wild over here. What you see here is 1 push up, 2 legs back. That's why I like counting colors. But this thing is like, it's wider than a normal second entry. But this is actually a first entry, push down, second entry long right here. This is your second entry long. It's just happened a little wider than normal. Normally they're a little tighter together, but you had these 3 small candles in here that widened it out. So this is wider than normal, but this is still your, cause this is the high though. So this is still your first attempt up, push back, second attempt up, 1 leg back, 2 legs back. Couldn't do it. Came right off the EMA. I like it. 1, 2, 3. That's your second entry. That's your second entry long. Then you get a low, push up, higher low. All right. Broke lower, trapped everybody going short, but it didn't touch the EMA. But this is a nice monster candle. And again, you know, we're expecting a leg of this distance, which we have at this point. But this is close enough to the EMA that I like that one too. Bam. 1, 2, 3. Home run. That's it. After that, it breaks. You get the EMA break here, close here. So now you got to see what happens. Sit on your hands and see the EMA is starting to move sideways. That's the end of the run. And you notice that also, you know, it's the end of the run because you had a beautiful leg up here. You expected another leg at that distance. Let's see if we got it. Although we really don't have to mark this right. We can clearly see we got it. But that's 1 leg. Clearly got it. Clearly got it. All right. And so that's the power of understanding these legs. The market moves in twos. When you get a move this strong, push back. The second entry started it off. The second entry is normally the center of the pattern. Boom. There's our second leg. There we go. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 6 out of 7 if you caught that run. So there we have it. Once again, this is on a gold chart. Price action works anywhere. So that's the work study lesson for today. Please like, subscribe, and share with somebody else. Look out for your boy as normal. Of course, I got a trade example for you, so stay tuned. And hey, let's keep trend trading, baby. Keep trend surfing. Keep taking solid entries off the. Well, let's count them up again. How many solid entries did we have off the EMA? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 good ones right off the EMA. Your best entries are off the 21 EMA, as I always say. All right. So I'm gonna sign off with that. My name is JD. And as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Check out this trade example. This is a second entry short with trend. We're just hoping it continues. Good win. If you learned something in that video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe and learn some more in this video right here. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.